Alright, so this will very likely be your very first look at the new DJI Osmo 360 Mark II. It was just revealed by the known leaker Quadro News only a few hours ago. So if you appreciate these videos and all the posts I make with basically live updates, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Getting straight back to it, as you've probably read even in the title, it seems like the second generation will solve the main issues the first Osmo 360 had, which is basically the same on the outside as you can see. The one on the right is the first gen, while the one on the left is the Mark II. The first thing you can clearly notice is the new battery housing and the buttons, which apparently aren't highlighted anymore. But we shouldn't really focus on the design since it's clearly the same. The first interesting change can be seen on the screen. As you can read, it says 8K at 60 frames per second. This is the first big upgrade from the first Osmo 360 that tops at 50 frames per second, and so the Mark II even gaps the X6 from Insta360, which is still yet to be released. So along with a rise of the frame rate in 8K, there will also probably be updates to 4K recording, and most importantly, to the single lens mode, which has also seen a significant update on the X6. These upgrades are mainly made possible by increased hardware performance, so the sensors might not be physically different, but very likely only the computing hardware will. But let's get to the second main point of this video, and keep in mind that there's nothing official. This is just my personal opinion and speculation about it. As you can see, the outer ring of the lens is different and thicker, and it might be due to a new replaceable lens system. Again, it's totally not confirmed as it's our very first leak of it, but just by looking at it, the different attachment of the lens makes me think it's actually possible that the lens could be removable. And if that's so, it could solve all the downsides the first generation had. Finally, there are more upgrades to the battery, reaching more than 2,100 mAh, roughly a 10% increase from the first generation. There's still nothing confirmed about the release date, but in my opinion, it will surely come out before the end of this year. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.